Hey, my name is Alexandra, and I'm the creator of the aCADemy. I have over 20 years of experience in luxury residential, interior, and architectural design. I've worked for architects and interior designers and for a lot of companies, and this system for AutoCAD is using the best from every company that I've worked for. So I'm just going to take you through now to show you what you're getting when you buy the aCADemy. So you'll see here straight away, you'll get access to all of the templates and file structure in the aCADemy. And this is what it looks like. You have an example project and you have a project file template. Now, this is an organizational structure that I use in my company and that I found works really well. That way, every time that you start a new project, you have all your folders ready to go. And if you go into the drawings folder, you'll see CDs. We have CDs, construction drawing and permit drawings set up for 24 by 36 and 11 by 17, depending on what you like to use in your firm. We also have 8.5 by 11 sheets if you prefer that, if you want to print everything in your office, or if you're just doing furniture drawings mostly, you don't need those big sheets. We have both. And let me take you into what some of these files actually look like in AutoCAD. This is one of my example projects. This is what your presentation 11 by 17 sheet will look like. If you go to the 24 by 36, this is the cover sheet. You also have in every sheet file all of the tags that you're gonna need, detail tags, window tags, door and finish tags, your notes, your dimensions, everything that you're gonna need there. This is what your floor plan sheet will end up looking like once you have it all fit in. We have a reflected ceiling plan with all of the keyed symbols that you'll use. So we have everything for lighting in here. We have a power key, electrical. You even have mechanical symbols in here and some typical notes. So everything will be easy for you to grab and put into your project. We have interior elevation templates, project schedule templates, and also areas where you can do your details. This is what one of our title blocks looks like, another 11 by 17. Here's your key, so you can use these tags in your drawings, copy them over. In your floor plans, we have blocks for you to get started on. So we have different refrigerators, doors, tubs. If you see this blue, that means it's a masking layer, so nothing that you have underneath these items will show up. So if you have a tiled floor, this will mask those and you don't have to do any trimming. We have some standard furniture blocks here, different size chairs, sofas, dining tables, and then we have all of our line weights that you're gonna need. The CTB files in this folder as well. So every time you print, it's gonna look awesome. Hatch styles and keys. And then we have a similar situation for the interior elevations where we have some great blocks for typical refrigerators. We have faucets, sinks, anything that you want to use to get started on schematic design before you get going with your actual products. We have some people in here. Shower, plumbing fixtures, and then our layers as well. So let me show you what this ends up looking like in practice. When you're all done, you're gonna have very professional, repeatable plans that look a lot like this. I'm gonna take you through how to create these plans step by step so that it looks very neat and clean. And then, in addition to all of the templates and assets, this is the aCADemy course. You have project foundations. I show you how to set up your AutoCAD workspace so that you can draft really efficiently and follow along with me. Title block setups, how to even install your CTB files. This program is not for a super beginner. If you've never drawn a line in AutoCAD, this is not for you. This is for somebody who has a little bit of a background. Maybe you've taken a couple classes and know AutoCAD basics, but you don't know how to put together a full set. And you also want your team to be able to recreate sets the same way every time and know where people are filing stuff. It's not good when someone is out sick or decides to leave the company and they have created their own system. And then all of a sudden you have no idea how to access the drawings that they spent a lot of time doing. So we have how to set up your presentation sheets, quick setup for small projects like custom pieces of furniture, do floor plans, reflected ceiling plans, all interior elevations, how to do those efficiently and quickly. interior details, setting up your cover sheets. I even have a lesson in here for how to quickly change an architect's CAD plans into our drawing standards so that they look great. I have some lessons in here for how to create custom blocks for your projects that are going to be reusable from project to project. And then dimensioning, titles, all that kind of stuff. So if we just go into any of these, you'll see it's kind of set up like this, and you can watch each tutorial. The total time for the class is about 6 hours. So you or a team member can get through this in under a day. Some of these are not 100% necessary, like the blocks to get going on drawings, and they're shorter lessons for a quick reference when you need to go back and double check something. Most of the lessons are between 5 and 15 minutes. So that is the aCADemy in a nutshell. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me directly. I'm super happy to jump on a call and answer any questions you might have, and I look forward to seeing you in the aCADemy. Thanks.